cleaning the inside of a microwave. A wet sponge. See the water? And put it right in there. 30 seconds. It's going to steam up the inside, loosen any debris that's in the microwave, like children, teenagers, spouses, you name it. A co-worker can leave some crumbs from their macaroni and cheese that exploded. So what we're going to do is just steam it, loosen it up, and then wipe it down. That also sterilizes your sponge. Watch. Now it's hot, cautious, hot. All right. Now while this is steaming, you can always use Microban for company that wants to heat up food, Lysol or Clorox, anything. Just wipe it down, get the nooks and crannies, and do not forget the inside. And your sponge will be clean. Check that out. Now, if you remove this, be careful. You only got one. So take your time, wash it, and the spindle. Check this.